Hi, Jacob with Telos. Today I'll be going over how you can use RocketX to cross-chain swap into Telos. This isn't our first time going over RocketX, but the UI has changed since then, so we thought it would be a good idea to make a new video. RocketX does all the work to get you the best rates for on-chain and cross-chain swaps. With RocketX, you can swap from chains like the Binance Smart Chain and even the Ethereum chain to the Telos EVM. So let's show you how it's done. Head over to rocketx.exchange. Once you're here, press the Trade Now button. Now that you're on the swap page, you'll want to connect your wallet. Select MetaMask, sign and approve, and once you're connected, you should see your wallet address here. Now we can swap. I'll be swapping ETH on the Ethereum chain to Telos on the Telos EVM. You'll want to make sure the correct source network is selected and that the from token is also correctly selected. In this case, we want ETH and ETH to be selected. Now, you'll want to confirm the correct destination network is selected. You can easily click and search for Telos. After that, you can then select Telos to be received in exchange. If you're swapping from ETH to Telos, then your swap should look like this. If you wanted to swap from a different chain like the Binance Smart Chain, you could adjust your selections so that they look like this. But now let's get back to our ETH swap. Currently, the minimum swap amount is about 33 USD or 0.0214 ETH. So I'll be swapping that amount. Before swapping, you can click here to change the recipient address. The address by default is the connected wallet address. When you've double checked everything and you're ready, you can press cross-chain swap. After a few moments, you'll then have to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, your transaction will then be processed. You can close this window at any time. You can even check the status of the swap or any others that you have done in the past by pressing here on History. The transaction has been processed successfully. This swap only took about 5 minutes. If you'd like to view the transaction, you can click here, or you can just check your Telos balance. And that's it. Be sure to give RocketX a try. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. To stay up to date with all things Telos, follow us on Twitter @HelloTelos. Links to our Twitter as well as our other social media accounts can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching.